please quit giving me instant views and likes, please. Because it's kind of making me sad because I'm only 8. And like once I hit 900 likes or more and 1K or more views, I'm gonna start getting paid. And I only get my bank account once I get once I turn 11 or 12 or 15. So quit. Because if you see my first edit of using Temple, I'll put in the link down below. Actually, no. Put it in the what are they called? The comments. It's a great editing thing. You can do videos, pictures,